Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth product reviews. Today we're checking out the COSORI air fryer toaster oven, a 13-in-1 convection oven that's designed to tackle everything from air frying to baking, roasting, and more. If you're looking for a versatile kitchen appliance that can do it all, you'll want to hear what we have to say about this one. So what's the big deal with the COSORI air fryer toaster oven? Well, it's packed with 11 functions that claim to make meal prep easier and faster. You've got the usual suspects like toast, bagel, pizza, and air fry, but it goes beyond the basics, offering options like air bake, air roast, proofing, broiling, dehydrating, and even sous vide. It's like a kitchen powerhouse that promises to handle a range of tasks, giving you more space on your countertop by consolidating several appliances into one. Looking at the features, the first thing that stands out is the size. The food tray measures 14.1 by 11.9 by 1.2 inches, making it large enough to handle meals for a family, while the crumb tray keeps things tidy. It's designed with 3 heating elements, top, bottom, and back, ensuring even cooking and faster results. Another noteworthy detail is the flat-sealed heating elements, which are a breeze to clean, preventing grease and food buildup. But beyond the specs, let's talk about real-world usage. Setting up the COSORI air fryer toaster oven is straightforward. All you need to do is plug it in, select the mode, and you're ready to cook. The cooking presets are helpful. Whether you're air frying crispy fries or baking a pizza, it's all pretty intuitive. We tested it on a few different functions: air frying, roasting, and baking. The air fryer function really impressed us, delivering crispy food without needing to use a lot of oil. We also tried out the bake setting with some cookies, and they came out perfectly golden. The oven did a good job distributing heat evenly, even on a busy day when we had multiple items inside at once. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the COSORI air fryer toaster oven excels at versatility. You're not just limited to 1 or 2 functions. This thing can do it all. It's great for someone who loves experimenting in the kitchen or a family who needs a reliable appliance that can handle different types of cooking. The build quality is solid. The non-stick food tray and crumb tray are both easy to clean, which is a big plus for anyone who dreads scrubbing after every meal. On the flip side, there are a few things worth noting. First, it's not the smallest kitchen appliance out there. It takes up quite a bit of counter space, especially for smaller kitchens, so you'll need to make sure you've got the room for it. The size also means it can be a bit heavy to move around, so if you plan on storing it away when not in use, that could be a hassle. Another thing, while the cooking results are generally good, we did notice that it can take a bit longer than traditional ovens for certain dishes. It's not a huge deal, but something to keep in mind if you're in a rush. As for value for money, the COSORI air fryer toaster oven does offer a lot of versatility for the price. It's a great multi-purpose appliance for those who want to simplify their kitchen setup. For comparison, if you were to buy separate appliances for air frying, toasting, and baking, it'd cost a lot more and take up a lot more space. This one appliance covers it all, making it a decent investment for people who want all-in-one functionality without breaking the bank. However, if you're only looking for a basic air fryer, there are cheaper options out there that might be a better fit. When it comes to alternatives, one competitor worth mentioning is the Ninja Foodi digital air fry oven. It offers similar functionality but comes with a slightly different design and set of features. The Ninja has a slightly more compact footprint and is also known for its quick cooking times, but it's priced similarly to the COSORI, so the real question comes down to your specific needs, whether you value extra space for large batches or prefer the Ninja's speed and convenience. As far as build quality goes, the COSORI air fryer toaster oven feels sturdy, with the steel and non-stick materials offering long-term durability. It's clear that this isn't a cheaply made appliance. It feels like it's built to last. There's no immediate sign of wear after using it for a couple of weeks, so I'd expect it to hold up well over time. The company has a solid reputation for producing reliable products, so while long-term data on this specific model isn't widely available yet, I'm confident in its overall durability based on the quality of the components. On the customer support front, I haven't had to contact COSORI for anything major, but they're known for their responsive and helpful service. Many online reviews mention quick replies and satisfactory resolutions, so it seems like they take customer service seriously. So, after putting the COSORI air fryer toaster oven through its paces, is it worth picking up? If you're looking for a versatile, all-in-one appliance that can help streamline your kitchen setup without compromising on performance, then absolutely. It's a solid choice for home cooks who want to experiment with different cooking methods, and it performs well across multiple functions. However, if you're tight on space or just need a simple air fryer, you might want to look at more compact options. Before we wrap up, if you're enjoying this review and want to stay updated on all our latest content, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. It really helps us out and ensures you never miss a review. Thanks for watching, and if you've already used this air fryer toaster oven, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll be happy to help. Until next time, stay hungry for the best gadgets, and remember, we always have reviews inside TV.